feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Hiding an Amazon purchase can be sensitive, but there are a few methods you might consider. One way is to archive the order. Go to Your Orders on the Amazon website, find the order you wish to hide, and select Archive Order. This removes it from your default order history view. However, remember this does not delete the order and it can still be found through search. Another approach is to create a separate Amazon account for your personal purchases, ensuring privacy. Lastly, consider setting up an Amazon household account, which allows shared Prime benefits but keeps purchases separate.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.